My name is Lisa Wehrman, and I'm the category manager for the fin-fish categories here at US Foods. Let's discuss MSC certification for seafood. MSC stands for Marine Stewardship Council. It is a third-party certification that US Foods and our suppliers use to verify claims for our EB products that fall into our Serve Good product lineup. MSC is a nonprofit organization created to address the problem of unsustainable fishing around the world and works to safeguard specifically wild-caught seafood species. When you see the MSC Blue Eco label on a product, you know that the product combats overfishing and illegal fishing, protects our oceans from damaging fishing techniques, prevents seafood fraud while supporting fishermen and communities, and secures a seafood supply for future generations. And US Foods is the only distributor that is chain of custody certified for MSC certification, which means that we trace our products from source to drop off to our customers.